Hello subscribers, followers, page likers, and returning clients, and new watchers. This full moon reading is for you. What's in store for you around the full moon on August 29, 2025. So take what resonates. Some messages may be for you, some messages for others. Kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, I would appreciate if mag-subscribe kayo. If gusto nyo ng reading, you can message me sa Stellar Witchery on Facebook or sa website stellarwitchery.com. So, live na tayo. Okay. First card, Ten of Swords. This is an ending. Okay. Endings are in store for you. Maaring painful endings ito or endings na hindi nyo inaasahan. Pero, this could be taken in a sense na wala na kayo sa stagnant part ng life nyo. Maaring sa career, like you're only working for the money pero hindi na kayo happy. Gusto nyo na mag-shift ng career pero hindi nyo magawa. Maaring ito na yung sign na although painful, you will have to let it go and look for new beginnings. New beginnings to come. For those in a relationship, maring stagnant na kayo ng boyfriend nyo, gusto nyo nang umalis or mag-leave. Ito na yung push para maghiwalay or mapag-usapan ang relationship nyo. This could also bring closure sa mga flings or situationships. And mali-let go nyo na yung mga nag-hold back sa inyo. Okay. So, be mentally ready na lang. Be mentally prepared kung di pa kayo ready sa endings na ito. And if you're ready for these endings, mas magaan na lang ito para sa inyo. Tandaan nyo, ang buhay, paikot-ikot lang yan. When something ends, something new comes and something else follows. I see good news na paparating sa inyo. Whether you're waiting for a credit card approval, a loan approval, good news pagdating sa work, o good news pagdating sa business. So, darating na ito. Ayun nga, tingnan nyo, may dumating agad. Pagkatapos ng endings, meron na agad na darating sa inyong balita or opportunity. Those na nasa relationship, kung kakahiwalay nyo around the full moon, maring may darating na mas bata sa inyo, na matalino, pwedeng maputi, pwedeng payat, na manliligaw o kaya magpapakita sa inyo ng romantic interest. Or this person could initiate talking to you. At least, may mapag-aabalahan ka. Page of Cups. Another opportunity. Okay. Okay, wow. So, hindi lang endings talaga. May opportunities, dalawa pa. One opportunity helps you, ano ba, is something that you've been waiting for. And another opportunity is unexpected eh. So, maaring, excuse me, maaring itong work opportunity na hinihintay nyo is mag-lead eventually into a sudden increase of salary. Maaring dagdagan nila yung rate mo or maaring mag-open sila ng isa pang role na i-offer sa'yo na mas gusto mo. For those in love. Okay. For those in love, maaring more than one yung makakausap nyo. If ever. More than one suitor. Pero mas bata rin sa inyo. Maputi rin. Pero chubby. Chubby yung makakausap nyo. Isang maputing payat, isang maputing chubby. So, i-receive nyo lang yung mga blessings na ito. Kilalanin nyo sila. Wala namang mawawala kung makikilala nyo sila. Or wala namang mali doon. Deserve mo yan. Deserve mo yung blessings yan. After that period of difficulties and crying and sleepless nights, ito na yung blessings na paparating sa inyo. Four of Wands. Okay. Warning, wag muna mag-jump into a relationship ha. Kilalanin nyo muna ang mga taong ito. Kilalanin nyo sila mabuti kung fit ba sila sa inyo o kung sino sa kanila ang mas aligned sa communication style nyo. Wag nyo piliin yung lagi nyong nakakaaway. Choose the person that you get along with. Sa mga business owners, mag-ingat kayo sa mga nakakausap nyo na partners or customers kasi maaring magkaroon ng misunderstanding. Maaring mag-lead into breaking off or separation of a business partnership, or maaring may customers kayo na mag-complain kasi nagiging rude yung pag-communicate ninyo. So, treat your customers with respect at be careful na lang with your words. Some of you may receive an opportunity to renovate or build a home or a house. Kasi may sira akong nakikita. This could also mean na may sira yung bahay ninyo o kaya may parte ng bahay na babagsak. So mag-ingat na lang. Umiwas kayo sa mga parts na iyon ng bahay. Maaring kailanganin nyo na talagang ayusin ang part na iyon. Kuha tayo ng oracle card. Saglit. Consult an expert. Wow. Ayan. When choosing sa opportunities na ito, sa career opportunities, financial opportunities, mga manliligaw, consult an expert. Pumunta kayo sa isang tao na mas wise sa inyo at mas experienced na. Humingi kayo ng advice sa kanya. Kasi makakatulong siya sa inyo kung kailangan nyo ng further guidance. And last card, strength. Ayan. No matter the obstacle, no matter the difficulties, you are strong, you are capable, you will rise above the ashes. And have faith in yourself. This is also an indicator of self-love. Like, kunwari ngayon sa relationship na hindi na nag-workout, maybe it's time for you to choose yourself and walk away from the relationship. It's time for you to take care of yourself. Or in relation dun sa opportunities, piliin nyo yung person na mag-aalaga sa inyo. Hindi yung sila ang aalagaan nyo. Ang priority nyo is yourself. Sa career, in relation to career and business, yung piliin nyo yung business partner na yung maayos naman kausap or yung nire-respeto kayo, yung tumutupad sa usapan. Sa career, piliin nyo yung work opportunity na magbibigay sa inyo ng work-life balance, yung hindi kayo iaabuso sa workload, yung makikinig sa inyo at pinahahalagan ang iyong mental and physical health. So, ayun. I hope na nakatulong itong message sa inyo. Again, only take what resonates. And like the page, subscribe sa channel, visit our website. Ayun, bye-bye.